Hello and thank you for listening in. Today we're going to be doing a brief walkthrough and demonstration of the slider web part for Microsoft. This slider web part allows you to display visual content and text in a responsive and dynamic slide layout. Users can declare the importance of each slide by assigning the order in which the slides appear. The slider web part has different style options and customizable features to best match your community's visual identity and brand. Let's take a look at the slider web part configuration menu. The first section within this web part configuration is the setup section. This is where you can actually add the slides for your web part. If you want to easily rearrange the order of your slides, just simply select what you want to drag and drop it where you want it to be. To edit a slide, you click on the edit icon and you're able to edit this slide and all of its components. If you want to add a new slide, you simply click add slide. You'll enter your slide title here, right? Again, this refers to your welcome new users. Your action button text, so in this example, it's browse FAQs. Where do you want that action button to take users? And then what do you want that slide image to be? You also can set if you'd like the action button URL to open a link in a new window for users or not. As always, when you're done making any changes to a slide, make sure to hit Save Slide and save all of your changes before publishing. Let's take a look at the Advanced Settings section within the web part configuration. In seconds, you could set the interval time for your slider. So how long do you want the interval time, or how long do you want the slide to be up before it goes on to the next one? Also in seconds, you could set the transition time. So what do you want that transition time to be between each slide? For desktop height, you could set the overall height of your slider for a desktop page. The same goes for mobile, but it applies to mobile. You also can set your accent color. This accent color is this background color of your title, and then the text color that is displayed for the action link. You also can set your background opacity. So how opaque do you want the background of the slide to be? Now let's take a look at the fonts section within the web part configuration. Here's where you could set the fonts for your title and your action link. So in this example behind us, have a question, that's your title, and your action link is the browse FAQs below. You can choose between a basic font, a Google font, or upload a custom font that's any one of these file types. For basic font, you could select your font type and then select the font weight and style. If it's a Google font, you could search for the font that you'd like, select it, select your subset, and then select the font weight and style. And the same goes for the action link. The last section within the web part configuration is the migrate configuration section. Let's say you already have a slider configured that you like and you could use something similar on another page in your slider community. You could simply copy that current configuration code by clicking copy to clipboard, navigate to that new page in the slider community, add a new slider web part, and paste in that configuration code and hit apply. Always hit save all, and then you could go back into the configuration and make changes as you see fit. Thank you for listening in. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.